So here's how you can make a locked album on your Android phone. And let's get started. If it's your first time being here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, essentially when you open up the Photos app, it depends on which gallery you are using on your Android, but you might be using the Samsung one or the Google Photos. But if we start with the Google Photos, for example, you can get inside like this. And when you open up like an image in the full screen, what you can do is to tap on the Add To button, which is indicated by the plus, and you can add it to like a regular album as well as to the locked folder. When you go to the locked folder, you can basically set that up, and it is going to contain photos and videos which are going to be hidden. These are not going to show up as you scroll through the library or in other apps, and you will also be able to set up like a passcode for it. So it's going to be like the protection, which isn't going to allow like anyone to access the images, obviously. So that is one way to do it. Outside of that, if you're using the Samsung Gallery, for example, on your Android phone, you might as well just open up the gallery like that and move the image to a secure folder. So in here, we have the ability to make the photo go full screen. Again, tap the three dots and you have the option to move it to secure folder. This is a place in your phone which you have to kind of like set up at first, but most likely it is already part of your device. And it is like a place where you can put not just photos, but any type of like private information, like, I don't know, something else as well. And it's going to be part of that folder, which is like locked on your device. So it is a nice way to store some private information outside of the main apps and the main interface. So these are the most common ways how you can make a locked album on your Android. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video and found it helpful. Definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. And I'm going to catch you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.